Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. I've had different people ask me to microwave a donut, and to be honest, that sounds pretty boring. All it would do is cook, and plus I already microwaved a Twinkie and a tasty cake, which would be almost the same thing anyway. So I decided instead to do a donut light, which I think will be a lot more entertaining. And here to microwave the big donut light is Big Jareth, the Kenmore BEAST of a microwave. Because the donut light is a little too big to be done in joys. Jareth's a big enough consumer to handle eating this massive donut, which I'm gonna do for a little over 4.5 minutes, so let's get microwaving. Wow, that's a strange smell. It's not toxic like the compact fluorescent was. But now I'm going to take it out. I'm going to examine it. Yeah, there's that strange smell. It's kind of toxic, but nothing like that CFL. Megan, I did it for a ridiculously long time. The first 30 seconds were brilliant. Then it just kind of sat there and stared at the camera doing nothing. There's going to be a lot of editing going on here. Anyways, whether or not you should microwave a donut light, I'm going to say because of the weird smell and because it's a fluorescent bulb. And other people I've seen do this, their bulb cracked, and you know fluorescent bulbs contain mercury. Even though it's a tiny amount, I'm going to say unsafe.